Hello students, welcome to today's lab session. Today we will continue the lab session of Python programming language. Next one, question number 17. Create a multi-bar chart for the following data. The data are S is equal to one list, first, second and third. Then percentage science 95, 89, 77. Percentage commerce 90, 93, 75. Percentage humanities 97, 92, 78. From these data we have to create a multi-bar chart. That means multiple bar graph we can see in a single bar graph. Okay. For that we can use the statements import matplotlib.pyplot as pl, import numpy as np, s is equal to first, second, third, pr underscore s is equal to that all values, then pr underscore commerce, pr underscore humanities values. Then we have to create the x points. X is equal to np dot arange len of s. Then length of this s is 3. So in this x we can store 0, 1, 2 values. Then pl dot bar x comma pr underscore science comma label is equal to science, width is equal to 0.25, color is equal to cyan. pl dot bar x plus 0.25. Next point, per underscore com comma label is equal to commerce, width is equal to 0.25, comma color is equal to M for magenta. Color attribute or argument for color that particular bar, then width for width of that particular bar, label of that particular bar, then that all values, x and y values. Okay, then pl dot bar x plus 0.50 comma pr underscore hum, that is humanities, label is equal to humanities, width is equal to 0.25, color is equal to gold. Then we have to identify the ticks, x ticks, x comma s. Okay. Then pl dot x label position, pl dot y label percentage. Title is bar graph for result analysis. Then pl dot legend also we can see. Then pl dot show. After the execution of this statements or program, we can see like this. Check this one. These all ticks. Ticks we used first, second and third. X label position, y label percentage. Then the legend, science, commerce and humanities. Bar graph for result analysis. Multiple bar graph we can see in one bar graph itself. Okay, different bars. Clear this one. Next program, question number 18. Create a histogram chart to display the participants' age in a survey. We are creating here one histogram chart. You know about this histogram. How can we plot this one? For that we can use the syntax or statements import numpy as np, import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Then ages. We are identifying the histogram. 34, 56, these all ages we specified here. Then what is this histogram? Histograms are a great way to show results of continuous data. It provides a visual interpretation of numerical data by showing the number of data points that fall within a specified range of values. These all values we can identify within a range of values. The number of data points that fall within a specified range of values, that is known as bins. Then which function we can use? Hist function. plt.hist ages comma bins is equal to 100, color is equal to M for magenta. then title, participants, ages, histogram. PLT.show. After the execution of the statements, you can see like this. Okay, this one is the histogram. What is the purpose of this histogram? To show the results of continuous data. Then we can see the continuous data. No gaps in between each bars. Okay, clear this one? Question number 19. Create a CSV using the data about cars, that is name, price in lakhs and mileage as given below. Car, BMW, Honda, Toyota and Hyundai. Price 25, 8, 18, 6. Mileage 39, 27, 26, 26. Read the above CSV and plot a bar chart represents car and its price. First one, we have to create a CSV file by using these all data: car, price and mileage. After that, we have to read the data from this CSV file, then plot a bar graph. Okay, for that we can use the statements: import pandas spd, import matplotlib.pyplot.spl, dic is equal to car, that all values, price, values, mileage, values. This one is a dictionary, key value pairs. Then we pass this dictionary to this data frame, df is equal to pd.dataframe dic. Then here we created the file named as cars.csv. Okay, where we created this one? In this E drive, NIMA folder, pipe programs folder itself, we created this cars.csv file. Then after creating this file, we have to read the data from this CSV file. How can we read that one? For that, we can use the function read_csv. df1 is equal to pd.read_csv, the path. Specified here the path. Then from this data frame, we are extracting the values. Here, car values we are storing in this name. Price values we are storing in this price. Then we are creating here this bar chart, pl.bar, name, price, x and y axis values, width is equal to 0.5, color is equal to gold. X label, that is car, y label, that is price, pl.show. After the execution of this program, you can see like this: car and price, BMW, that lakhs, price in lakhs, Honda, that price, Toyota, that price, Hyundai, that price. Okay, clear this one? Okay children, write down the programs in your rough record and study very well. That's all for today. Take care. Bye.